guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we are doing a very fun fan art episode. So I know 100% it's not the same holiday in the movie, but I thought to give myself an excuse to draw some Coco fan art, I would do a little bit of a fan art piece for Cinco de Mayo. Now, I really loved Coco. It was an amazing movie. The whole thing was just beautiful and gorgeous, and the soundtrack was amazing, and I loved it so much. But the thing that I loved the most were the spirit animals, or the spirit guides. I can't remember what they're called, but either way, they were awesome. They are these colorful and amazing looking creatures, and all of them were just so diverse and interesting, and I just loved how they looked. But my favorites were for sure the combo animals. So in Coco, they had some spirit guides that were more based on just one animal, and others that had combinations of multiple animals. And of course, you guys know me, I love monster mashes, so when I see a creature in a show that is a combination of other animals, I love it. So for those of you who have seen Coco, you probably already know which one I'm gonna draw today. I mean, it was in the title too, so that kind of helps. But either way, I'm going to be drawing Pepita from Coco, and she is amazing. I really love her design. She is such a colorful and interesting creature, and I love that she's a combination of like a panther and eagle, and I'm thinking those are ram horns, but either way, the whole combo overall looks amazing. So I thought I'd try to draw this creature and all its bright and amazing colors, and then also push myself to try to do an interesting and colorful background. As you guys have probably heard in multiple other episodes, I'm slowly trying to get better at painting backgrounds, so I thought this would be a good exercise in using more of like the blues and purples and having like lighting effects and a couple different things. So we're gonna try something out and see how it turns out. So you know what, let's go ahead and jump in and get started with this fan art. right, so we are all done with this fan art painting, and I have to say, I am pretty happy with this one. I think I need to still work on a little bit more of my rendering skills, specifically with like lighting and the background, but I feel this was a really good step forward, and I personally really like it. It was actually also a good opportunity for me to study the actual concept art from the movie, because I actually have the art book and I looked extensively at how they painted the backgrounds in the concept art and in other places in the film, and that was really helpful and really informed my choices on colors, and I think it helped me progress a lot in terms of background painting. I know I still got a ways to go in terms of coloring and background rendering, but still, I am pretty happy with this one, and I think this overall was a great step forward. So thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video, and if you aren't already, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have new videos every week. This is also going to be the Photoshop file of the month over on my Patreon, so if you would like to see all of the different layers and what effects I applied to the different parts of this painting, you can go become a contributor over on patreon.com/KMcCaigue to get access to the full Photoshop file. Also, let you guys know I will be giving away an 11x17 print of this. All you have to do is comment down below, what would your spirit animal or spirit guide be in the world of Coco? So this could be just a singular animal, like just like a dog or a cat, or you could make a monster creation or monster mash of your own. But let me know what you would pick in the comments below. I will be announcing the winner of the print in next week's video, so make sure you stay tuned and keep your eye out for that video. So thanks again, guys, for stopping by, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everybody.